Today's story is about Peepo. Peepo? Here's a little baby. 1, 2, 3 stands in his court. What does he see? Peepo! He sees his father sleeping in the big brass bed, and his mother too, with a hairnet on her head. He sees the shadows moving on the bedroom wall and the sun at the window, and his daddy and his ball. Here's a little baby. 1, 2, 3 sits in his high chair. What does he see? People. He sees his mother pouring her porridge in a bowl, and his father in the doorway with a bucket full of coal. He sees his sisters skipping in the yard outside. Here's a little baby. 1, 2, 3 sits in his pushchair. What does he see? People. He sees a bonfire smoking, pigeons in the sky, his mother cleaning window, a dog going by. He sees his sister searching for a jar on tin to take up the park and catch fishes in. Again, people. He sees his sisters fishing with a brown stocking net and dressing tucked in sneakers, legs shiny wet. Again, here's a little baby. 1, 2, 3 is on his sister's lap. What does he see again? See again, people. He sees his grandma ironing, his father pouring tea, his other sister squabbling. She wants him on her knee, and also sees mother dozing in the easy chair, and a dog in the doorway who should not be there. There's a little baby. 1, 2, 3 it's in the bathtub. What does he see? People. He sees his father kneeling with his sleeves rolled up, and the flannel on the table, and the soap in the cup. There's a little baby. 1, 2, 3 on his way to bed. What does he see again? People. He sees the landing mirror with its rainbow rim, and a mother with a baby just like me. He sees the bedroom door the cat made ready, his father kissing him good night, his ball and his teddy.